Vitamins, our humble little heroes that work behind the scenes, are often overlooked until we notice something off about our skin. Suddenly, the fine lines become maps, and elasticity feels like a distant memory. But here's the kicker. The solution might already be sitting in your kitchen or on your supplement shelf. If you're after glowing, tighter skin, you're in for a treat, because today, we're diving into the TOP4 vitamins for skin tightening that can truly make a difference. Spoiler alert, one of them is your skin's ultimate cheerleader. First up is vitamin C, the Beyonce of the skincare world. It's the ultimate multitasker, brightens, firms, and plays wingman to collagen production. Collagen, by the way, is like the scaffolding of your skin. Without it, your face might look like a deflated balloon. The secret weapon here? Antioxidants. Vitamin C doesn't just fight free radicals, those pesky aging culprits. It throws punches like Muhammad Ali. Toss some bell peppers or oranges into your meals, and voila, you're a step closer to a tighter complexion. Next, let's talk vitamin E, aka the guardian angel of your skin. This fat-soluble powerhouse is all about hydration and repair, especially if you've spent too much time worshipping the sun. Sun damage? Wrinkles? No worries, vitamin E dives in to rescue those skin cells. Picture it as a bouncer, keeping out the free radicals that want to crash your collagen party. For an extra dose, grab some almonds or sunflower seeds. Your skin will thank you with a glow that might just outshine the sun. Now for the underdog, vitamin AE, better known as the backbone of retinol products. Think of it as the coach who keeps your skin cells on their A game. Retinoids derived from vitamin A are clinically proven to boost elasticity and speed up cell turnover, which means fewer wrinkles and more youthful skin. But tread lightly, it's a bit like your brutally honest friend, harsh but effective. Add some sweet potatoes or carrots to your plate for a natural dose, and let the magic happen. Finally, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Not only does it help strengthen your bones, but it's also a pro at promoting skin cell growth and repair. Low vitamin D levels? Your skin might rebel with dullness or even acne. But wait, here's the kicker. While a little sun exposure is great, don't overdo it and end up looking like a lobster. Balance is key. Consider fortified foods or supplements to keep that youthful elasticity intact. Here's the fun twist. While these vitamins are fabulous on their own, combining them in your diet or skincare routine can elevate your results. Imagine a superhero team assembling, each with a unique power to tighten and rejuvenate your skin. The best part? They're affordable, accessible, and backed by science. If this hasn't convinced you to raid your fridge for some oranges or order that vitamin E serum, I don't know what will. Your skin deserves the love, and so do you. Remember, glowing, firm skin doesn't have to break the bank sometimes. It's about making simple, consistent changes. Before you go, hit that like button if this helped, and don't forget to dive into our previous videos for more skincare tips. Who knows? Your next skincare hack might just be waiting there. Stay radiant and let those vitamins work their magic.